The registered keeper of this vehicle just got off on a technicality at the Sheriff's Court in Glasgow for driving into a parked and unattended vehicle and then driving off from the scene. This was the third court date in which the driver of the innocent vehicle had to travel to Glasgow from Newcastle to give evidence because the first date was adjourned for an unknown reason, the second time there wasn't an interpreter available for the defendant, and the third and most recent occasion there was some kind of issue with the CCTV licence, meaning the case could not proceed and it was dismissed. The incident happened on the 24th of December 2023 and the private hire driver was sent from Newcastle to Glasgow to drop off medical samples. They were inside the hospital when the grey Vauxhall Zafira came through the one-way system, reversed into the stationary private hire vehicle, then drove off further down the one-way system. They briefly then pulled up on the pavement before making their way further down the one-way system to the pickup bay to pick up some passengers. The driver even gets out and appears to look at their car as if to wonder how the damage had gotten there, when a minute earlier they just reversed into the side of a bright white car. The driver and the passengers then get back into the Zafira and drive away, and they actually drove past the private hire driver as he was returning to his now damaged car. Thankfully, the private hire driver knows somebody with a lot of experience in the claims industry and also knows an insurance claims data specialist. They worked together very quickly to get the footage from the hospital, which showed the registration of the offending vehicle very clearly. They used the Ask Mid service to identify the vehicle's insurance company, and that insurance company, once they seen the footage, admitted liability for the collision without the permission of their driver, who was denying the collision. They arranged a hired private hire vehicle and arranged for the repairs to the innocent driver's car. So the driver wasn't left out of pocket, thankfully, but it's a shame the criminal prosecution wasn't successful. Despite the CCTV showing the registration very clearly, the register keeper did continue to deny the incident had occurred. Lovely jubbly, sound as a pound.